Right, so at the moment on the S&P, looking for a very wide upside target up to 3,001. Testing the entry, no fill. You actually got to fill me.
Abeona Therapeutic shares now hitting $3.07 at the high, down just 25 cents. Low was $2.01 earlier on that clinical hold.
Entry filled on the S&P. I am long on the S&P. Upside target at the moment is 3,001. Will adjust for actual risk if needed as we continue on and get more information. Fairly strong move to the downside with some open candle gapping, meaning that buyers might start getting a little bit nervous on this pullback, and instead of waiting for that larger target, they'll look to exit with a smaller objective instead. Try to average in lower in the move.
ECB Lagarde says the trade war is weighing like a big dark cloud in the global economy.
S&P futures dropping here 29.8750.
Next area of interest, 86. On the market internal perspective, still fairly neutral, all things considered. We've got the NYSE tick just hovering back and forth around zero. Volume sitting at a negative 11 million. Advancers at a negative 206. Volatility index is down 0.39%. I mean, even the delta is sitting at zero. It's at negative 1400 right now. It's not doing much of anything. So although we are seeing some very strong moves in the markets, the market internals don't agree with it. The market internals scream range. The market's trying to make it more than that. See if the S&P will pull back. There we go. So filled on the S&P, which draws down our actual risk on the whole thing back to basically just a shallow new high, 95.75. Let's see. So short on the NASDAQ. Average price on the NASDAQ, 21.75. First target's going to be 13.75. Second target, 9.25. Wow, what a bull bar on the S&P, bar 22. Woo! $93. That's going to mess my average up a little bit, but I love that bull bar. The NASDAQ now, 28.75 is no longer viable. Still interested at 30.50 though. That means that the target narrows in a little bit as well. All right, S&P looking to add another.
Order canceled.
Looking to add another at 93. I'm not going to modify where my, that is going to mess up my average. It's going to draw my average up a little bit. Hopefully it's not going to draw it up too much. So the target won't have to change that much, really. Why not buy the S&P on the market? Because I need to ensure that it actually breaks bar 22's high. That's very important in this case. So looking for an upside objective now on the S&P at 97.25. 97.25. Actually, no, that needs to be back where it was. Sorry. It's the same target. That's a completely different risk profile. Most I've had to risk so far is still down to bar 9. That hasn't changed. Zoom amount. Whoa, jumped up, hit the target, no fill. S&P big pop higher, did not fill the target, tested it. Tested it. That was a big jump to the upside. Holy cow. Well, the market just does not seem to want to fill me. I'm going to see if I can just jump out there at 95. I'm out. They came up, they hit my target to the tick, didn't fill me, and I'm not about to let it back off from a major level of resistance. Waited way too long for that trade to come around. I'm not going to bicker over 3 ticks. Of course, now that I'm out, it'll go up and fill it, but I am out on the S&P. Didn't fill me, it popped up, slapped the order to the tick, didn't fill, and then backed off immediately. Saw some heavy sell volume coming in at 95, and I just didn't want to mess with it anymore, so I took it off the table. Beautiful trade.